welcome, come and see. English is fun with Pete and me. Clap your hands and shout hooray. English with Pete will play today.
Hello everyone, welcome to English with Peter. Today's lesson is all about prepositions, the magic words that tell us where, when, and how things happen. Let's dive in with fun examples and props. And there's a ruler in the backpack. On the books are on the table. Next to the tablet is next to the books. Under the cat is under the table. Behind the chair is behind the table. In front of the key is in front of the books. Between the watch is between the books and the tablet. Now it's challenge time. Look at the picture on the screen. You'll see three options. Only one is correct. You have 10 seconds to choose your answer. Where is the duck? If you said the duck is on the ball, you are perfect. Where is the ball? That's perfect. Where is the mobile phone? Correct. Where is the rover? That's perfect. Where is the mouse? Correct. Where is the sharpener? That's perfect. Awesome job, everyone. Now you can use prepositions to describe where things are. Practice at home and share your sentences with friends or family. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Peter. Give this video a like. Turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time on English with Peter. Cheers, guys.